Our kite is part diamond, part triangle, and even has circle stickers.
It's the most shapetastic kite ever!
Cutting and pasting helps bring these shapes together. By cutting different shapes and arranging them, we can make fun pictures like a house, a robot, or even a rocket. Let's see if it flies.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever thought shapes are like puzzle pieces to a masterpiece? With a little snip, a little glue, and a lot of fun, we can make something amazing. Let's dive in!
Wow, look at that kite! It's so big and colorful!
And that one has a diamond shape.
Wow! Shapes are everywhere!
Imagine looking at the world like a giant puzzle made of circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. A circle could be the sun or a balloon. A square could be a gift box. And a triangle could be the roof of a house. Hey, what if we make our own kite?
But we don't have one.
Then let's make one. We just need shapes, right?
Okay, what shapes do we need for a kite?
I saw kites shaped like diamonds.
And tails made of tiny triangles.
We can cut a big diamond for the kite's body.
You cut, and I'll hold the paper. Got it! Now for the tail.
But wait, what if we make it even cooler?
Let's add circle stickers to decorate it.
Our kite is part diamond, part triangle, and even has circle stickers.
It's the most shapetastic kite ever!
Cutting and pasting helps bring these shapes together. By cutting different shapes and arranging them, we can make fun pictures like a house, a robot, or even a rocket. Let's see if it flies.
It works!
Next time, let's make a rocket ship out of shapes.
Now it's the time for quiz. Which shape would be the best choice to make a paper snowman? Option A, circle. Option B, oval. Option A is correct. Snowballs are round. Which picture shows a shape that is easiest to cut out with scissors? Option A, a picture of a star. Option B, a picture of a square. Excellent. Option B is correct. Shapes with straight edges are easier to cut. Which picture shows a craft made by cutting and pasting different shapes together? Option A, a picture of a paper house made with squares and triangles. Option B, a picture of a single large circle. Good job! Option A is correct. Some crafts use many shapes to build new things. You should always use large scissors instead of safety scissors when cutting paper for crafts. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Safety is important when using scissors. So, kids should use safety scissors. When pasting shapes together, it is best to use too much glue so the shapes stay forever. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. A little glue works best. Too much glue can make paper soggy. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be snipping and shaping our way to something exciting. Grab your scissors and get ready for some creative fun. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.